Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Akshi. This is a lesson 4 of our Python for Beginners series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Python, that is operators. We will understand what operators are, what are the different types of operators, and finally build a simple calculator program using them. So now let's get started. First, let's understand what operators are. Operators are the special symbols that perform operations on values and variables. For example, if we write A equals 10, B equals 5, then A plus B, it gives the value is 15, that is 10 plus 5. Here the plus symbol is called as an operator. So Python provides different types of operators for different purposes. The main types are arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. And also membership operators, identity operators. There are different types of operators. But in this lesson, we will focus on the first four because they are the most commonly used. Now let's begin with the arithmetic operator. This operator performs mathematical calculations. The most common arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. So let's see them in actions. So you can see the code. The A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. So we'll print A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided by. So notice that division gives a decimal value, modulus returns the remainder, exponent rises a number to a power, floor division removes the decimal part. And I have uploaded the short regarding the arithmetic operators also. Next, now let's learn the assignment operators. These operators assign or update the value inside the variables. So the basic assignment operator is equal to. But Python also provides shortcut operators like plus equal, minus equal, multiply equal, divide equals. So now let's see them in an example. For example, x is equal to 10. Then x plus is equal to 5. Then printing the value of x. So what does it print? That will print 10 plus 5, that is 15. So this is how these assignment operator works. Next, we will move on to the comparison operators. These operators compares two values. The result is always either true or false. So some common comparison operators are equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than, equal to, lesser than, equal to. So you can see the example code where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. We can print whether A is equal to B, A is not equal to B, A is greater than B, A is lesser than B. If it is true, then it returns either true or else false. These operations are mainly used in conditions like if, else statements, which we will learn in the next lesson. Next is the logical operators. There, it combines the multiple conditions. So Python has three logical operator. One is AND, OR, and then NOT. So let's understand them. If age is equal to 22, as ID is true, student is equal to false. This is how it works is, it will print age is greater than 18 and has ID is true. And then another printing statement, age is lesser than 18 or is student, or print not a student. Here what does it does is, and it will return true only if both conditions are true. For example, in that age is greater than 18. Yes, because age is 22. Yes, it is greater. And has ID, it returns true. So both the conditions are true. So the output will be for that statement is true. Or means it returns true if at least one condition is true. Age is smaller than 18, and or or is used. It means either in the two condition one must be true, not both. Or is student, here is student is false. But age is 22. 22 is lesser than 18. No, it is greater. And it returns false because both are false. Either one should be true. Next, not a student. It will simply reverse the result. So next we will move on to the practical example. Okay, here we will build a small calculator program using everything we have learned. Like num1 and num2 are the variables. And here only input is not taken. Input means it will only take the text, but it always gives the text. Here we need to convert it into a number. So we have used int of input. So then based on these inputted values by a user, it will perform the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For example, the user enters the first number as 12 and the second number as 4, and the program displays addition value as 16 for the addition, 12 plus 4. So this is how it is works. Okay, next we will move on to the what we have learned today. We have learned about the arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operator, and then the logical operators. And finally, we created a simple calculator program also. So congratulations, you're making a great progress in your Python journey. In the next lesson, we will learn about the if, elif, and else statements where you will start making decisions in your programs. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Code with Akshi. And also check out the other playlist videos so that it can be useful. Thanks for watching. I will see you in lesson 5. And this quote is for you. Thank you. Happy coding.